This is a quick overview of welding cylinder sizes from largest to smallest. The 300 cubic foot cylinder is approximately 5 feet tall. The 200 cubic foot cylinder is about 4.5 feet tall. The 150 cubic foot cylinder is roughly 4 feet tall. The 120 cubic foot cylinder is also around 4 feet tall. The 80 cubic foot cylinder is approximately 3 feet tall. The 50 cubic foot cylinder is about 2 feet tall. And the 20 cubic foot cylinder is roughly 1.5 feet tall. This guide provides a clear reference for the general height differences between each cylinder size.